โปรโมชั่นวันนี้พร้อมส่วนลด 40% สำหรับผู้ป่วยโรคเบาหวานไม่ว่าจะเป็นเบาหวานชนิดที่1ชนิดที่2ก็สามารถรักษาระดับน้ำตาลในเลือดให้คงที่ได้ที่บ้านและหมดอาการชาที่มือที่เท้าตาพร่ามัวและปัสสาวะบ่อยตอนกลางคืนโทรเลยเพื่อรับคำแนะนำจากผู้เชี่ยวชาญและรับโปรโมชั่นพิเศษครับ
ถ้าใครกำลังมองหาตัวช่วยดีๆในการรักษาโรคเบาหวานผมขอแนะนำเลยครับผมตัวนี้เม็ดฟูซาโตจินะครับขอบคุณจริงๆขอบคุณเม็ดฟูที่ทำให้ผมหายจากโรคเบาหวานอาการที่ผมเป็นมาก่อนหน้านี้นะครับผมไม่ว่าจะเป็นปัสสาวะบ่อยอ่อนเพลียเหนื่อยง่ายหายใจติดขัดหายไปหมดเลยครับผมนี่ดีใจจริงๆไม่คิดว่าจะหาย
ผมโชคดีมากเลยนะครับที่ได้คุณหมอเนี่ยแนะนำให้ผมรู้จักกับผลิตภัณฑ์ซัตโตชิตัวนี้เลยนะครับสกัดจากธรรมชาติไม่เพียงแต่ช่วยให้เห็นผลเร็วนะครับยังประหยัดค่าใช้จ่ายอีกด้วยครับผมทานวันละแค่2เม็ดนะครับหลังอาหารใช้อย่างต่อเนื่องเป็นเวลา2สัปดาห์ครับอาการผมดีขึ้นเรื่อยๆอย่างเห็นได้ชัดเลยนะครับดัชนีน้ำตาลในเลือดนะครับจาก200ตอนนี้เหลือ120เองครับเลยต้องขอบคุณคุณหมอนะครับแล้วก็ขอบคุณซัตโตชิตัวนี้มากเลยนะครับ
สวัสดีค่ะฉันชื่อมินตาฉันเป็นผู้ช่วยหมอรักษาโรคเบาหวานมาได้กับ3ปีแล้วอยู่ที่คลินิกในกรุงเทพวันนี้ฉันมีผลิตภัณฑ์จะมาแนะนำสำหรับผู้ป่วยโรคเบาหวานที่คลินิกของเรารักษาคือเม็ดฟูซาโตชิถ้าใครกำลังเป็นเบาหวานชนิดที่1ชนิดที่2แนะนำเลยนะคะเห็นผลได้ดีมากจริงๆผู้ป่วยท่านไหนต้องการทำให้เบาหวานสงบและหายจากความทุกข์ทรมานจากภาวะแทรกซ้อนของเบาหวานฝากเบอร์ไว้หรือโทรเข้ามาสายด่วนตอนนี้จะมีผู้เชี่ยวชาญให้คำแนะนำอย่างละเอียดค่ะ
พอทานได้ไปสัก3 สัปดาห์ผมก็รู้สึกว่าสุขภาพผมดีขึ้นมากเลยนะครับอาการเหนื่อยล้าและชาที่ขาที่แขนก็ไม่มีอีกแล้วนะครับดีใจมากๆเลยนะครับนี่คือเห็นผลดีนะครับก็เลยพยายามใช้อย่างต่อเนื่องนะครับตอนนี้น้ำตาลนั้นเหลือแค่126เท่านั้นนะครับจากยาเม็ดฟูซัตโตชินะให้ผมควบคุมและรักษาระดับน้ำตาลในเลือดให้คงที่อย่างสมบูรณ์นะครับขอบคุณซัตโตชินะครับ
ที่ป้าเนี่ยได้ทานเม็ดฟูซัตโตชินี้นะคะมันได้สร้างความหวังนะคะในการรักษาโรคเบาหวานนะคะให้ป้าแล้วก็คนอื่นๆอีกมากมายเลยค่ะจริงๆแล้วนะคะใครที่ต้องการหายจากเบาหวานนะคะโดยไม่กลับมาเป็นซ้ำอีกนะคะทานแล้วเนี่ยเม็ดฟูซัตโตชินี้นะคะป้าเชื่อว่าทุกคนเนี่ยจะเห็นผลเหมือนป้านะคะหายจากเบาหวานนะคะก่อนหน้านี้นะคะไม่ว่าจะดื่มจะทานอะไรเนี่ยมันก็ไม่หายค่ะแต่ซัตโตชินะคะแตกต่างมากเลยค่ะทานแล้วเนี่ยเห็นผลจริงทันทีเลยค่ะป้าอยากแนะนำนะคะลองทานแล้วก็อาการจะดีขึ้นเหมือนป้าเนี่ยค่ะ
ใครที่กำลังทุกข์ทรมานจากโรคเบาหวานหรืออยากจะให้เบาหวานสงบหมอแนะนำเลยเม็ดฟูซาโตชิยารักษาโรคเบาหวานสกัดจากสมุนไพรธรรมชาติ 100% ไม่มีผลข้างเคียงต่อไตปลอดภัยต่อสุขภาพของเราใครที่ต้องการอยากจะรักษาจริงๆติดต่อเข้ามาที่เบอร์สายด่วนของหมอหรือฝากเบอร์ไว้ตอนนี้จะมีผู้เชี่ยวชาญโทรให้คำแนะนำเพิ่มเติมนะครับ
รีบโทรเข้าสายด่วนบนหน้าจอตอนนี้เพื่อรับข้อเสนอพิเศษ
Hello friends, welcome to One-Dastic Tech. Today we'll see how bananas are harvested and processed. Let's dive into it. After preparing the field, the farmers arrange the banana seedlings in stages on the cultivator. After planting the seedlings in the soil with the cultivator, 2 farmers straighten the stems of the seedlings from the top of the cultivator. Fine spray or mist is used to keep the soil constantly moist. As a result, the seeds get enough water. Depending on the banana plant variety, it takes 9 to 20 months for these banana seedlings to grow into mature banana plants. Some varieties mature faster than others. A farmer cuts the tip of the banana bud so that the cluster comes out. Then, when the tip of the female flowers comes out, the farmers cut some of its parts with cuttings so that the cluster of bananas comes out very quickly. Bunches develop into full-fledged bananas. At this time, the farmers cut the big bananas separately. Young bananas are left on the rachis to grow. Then, they cut off the flower at the end of the rachis. Banana leaf disease. The main diseases affecting leaves are xanthomanous wilt, Rosarium wilt, black and yellow sigatoka. These diseased leaves are removed by the workers. Dimethoate, diazinon, and acephate are sprayed on infected plants and suckers by ground spray machines and aerial
Beekeepers often
agricultural
select
aircraft.
queen bee larvae from the
Also,
most
workers
elite
spray
colonies
methyl
for
demetun
incubation,
25 EC
ensuring the new
0.05%
generation of
separately.
bees is capable
These
of efficient
pesticides
honey
are effective in
collection.
controlling pests such as aphids,
Within about 10 to
thrips,
12
and
days,
mites that
the
commonly
queen bee
infest
larvae
banana
will
plants.
fully develop and
They
be
work
ready
by
for
disrupting
harvest
the nervous
before
system of the
hatching.
insects, ultimately leading to their death. For large agricultural areas, a skilled and efficient harvesting team is essential. First, they measure the size of the banana and confirm the ripeness of the banana. It's a bunch of bananas. It is an adult banana tree. Not only that, but it is from the sides of fully grown banana plants that suckers usually grow. This is the fastest growing banana plant inside the sucker. Workers carefully cut each bunch of bananas from the plant alias.
This
They
temporarily
ensure that
keeps
the
the
cut
bees
is
busy
clean to avoid
and makes them
damage to the
less
fruit.
likely to attack the honey harvester.
Then the workers carried bunches of cut bananas on their shoulders and went to the transport area, where there is line transport. To the hook of this rope, the workers tie bunches of bananas tightly. Next, these bunches of bananas go to the washing area, where workers spray the bananas very finely with water. As a result, both the germs and dirt stuck in the banana are washed away. Another worker then sticks the bananas together so that they are not damaged. So put the soft cotton paper inside each row of bananas.
The honey
In
frames
remote
are
areas
carefully
where heavy
removed to
machinery
avoid
cannot be
breaking the wax
used,
structure
a
or
bunch of
harming
bananas
the
are
bees.
harvested using this method. In addition, this method
Qualifying
requires
frames will
less
be
time
fully
and
filled
labor.
with honey and covered by a thick layer of wax.
Generally, there are banana factories around the banana fields. Because bananas are
Finally,
perishable,
the
therefore to
boxes
maintain their
containing the
quality,
honey trays are
processing
loaded
is
onto
required
trucks
as soon
and
as
transported
possible.
to the processing
They are
factory
sent
for
directly
handling
from the
and
fields
production.
to the factory through a rope line. After entering the factory, the workers first perform 3 tasks, which is to remove the soft cotton paper from the bunch of bananas, measure the size of the bananas, and thoroughly clean the bananas again with water spray. Next, an expert cuts a banana from a bunch of bananas to confirm its freshness. Then begins the stage of final
The
washing
trays
these
filled with
bananas.
golden honey are
Here,
placed
these
into a
workers cut the big
specialized
bunch of
spinning
bananas
drum.
into small bunches and throw them in clean
The
water.
spinning drum
They
rotates
then
at
proceed
high
to gently
speed,
place the small
using
bunches into clean
centrifugal
water,
force to
ensuring
extract
that they
the
are
honey from
thoroughly
the
cleaned
comb.
before further processing.
Before entering the bottling stage, the honey is thoroughly inspected by workers to ensure its quality.
Using scissors, workers divide banana bunches submerged
The
in
filtered
water
honey
into
is
2,
stored for
3,
2 to
or
3
more
days
sections
to achieve the
and make their
desired
stems
thickness,
narrower.
and then streams of golden honey are poured from the storage containers.
Then these bananas are filled by the workers in the tray, and when the specified weight is confirmed, the bananas are taken to the packaging line. Now, we will see how these bananas are packed in the factory. This worker is placing bananas in certain rooms on the sealing line. As a result, when these bananas go through the sealing machine, the bananas are packed without any damage. Gives a kind of chemical liquid on the cut stem of the banana so that there is no infection with the cut part. The company's sealed bananas then come to the factory's container packaging room, where workers fill paper containers with these sealed bananas. First, workers take a large polythene. Bananas are placed in the first row and covered with polythene, and then in the second row and again covered with the same polythene. Then, these workers take the air out of the polythene through a vacuum machine.
Each type of
now,
bee
we'll
and its
see how banana
environment
chips are made in the
produces different
factory
types
from
of
these
honey,
bananas.
each with its own
In another
unique
part of
color.
the factory, the peel of these bananas is manually
For
removed
example,
by the factory workers.
Pohutukawa honey is
As a
extracted
result,
from the
what
flowers of the
remains is the
Pohutukawa
edible
tree.
white part called the pulp. These apron-clad workers press the white part of the banana into the grinder machine. As a result, those white areas look exactly like this. Then they are taken to the frying area of the factory and fried in hot oil. Later, these banana chips move through the conveyor line to the packaging area of the factory, where workers carefully fill the containers with chips. On the other hand, banana pulp is cut into small pieces
In
without
addition to
grinding
being
and
used
fried directly in
daily
hot
meals,
oil.
honey is also applied in the beauty industry on the market. With its natural moisturizing properties, honey helps soften the skin and retain
These banana
moisture,
chips are then
leaving
fed
the
through a
skin
conveyor
smooth
into
and
a
radiant.
rotating disc. As a result, the oil on the chips is extracted and the chips are completely dry. Then, these chips are run through the mixing machine to further enhance the flavor. Consequently, in this case, factory workers help arrange the chips on the line.
To conclude today's video, we've had a delightful and sweet journey exploring the world of honey. We hope you had a fun and insightful experience.
Then these chips go to the packaging room of the factory through the
Don't
conveyor.
forget to share your thoughts in the
This
comments
packaging
below.
room has a
And if you
packaging
have
machine
any ideas
based
for
on
future
artificial
journeys,
intelligence.
let us know.
Its function is to automatically measure the weight of the chips and fill the
See you
existing
in the next video
polyethylene
with
chip
even more
packets
exciting
with the
discoveries.
chips inside the
Goodbye,
eyelid.
and see you next time.
When these banana chip packets are filled, the workers collect those packets and fill them in paper containers. The containers are then stamped with the company seal, date of manufacture, expiry date, and serial number.
Semolina flour is placed into large mixers along with water, where specialized mixers with powerful paddles operate continuously. This mixing process takes about 10 to
Then
15
workers manually
minutes
tape the
until the
mouths of
mixture
these
becomes
containers.
smooth, uniform,
After the containers
and
are
reaches
taped,
a certain
they are
level
stacked
of
and prepared for
elasticity.
transportation or storage. This manual taping process ensures that the contents of the containers remain secure and protected during handling and transit. Now these bananas and banana chips are ready for market sale and export. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating journey through the banana processing world. If you found this video informative, please subscribe for more exciting content.
A premium variation of spaghetti uses eggs during the dough mixing process. Once the dough is ready for the extrusion process, the automated robotic system will come in to load the extrusion machine with the dough. The dough is pressed through a special extrusion mold, which has small holes specifically designed for spaghetti strands. As the dough is pushed through the mold, it forms long, thin, and uniform spaghetti strands. Here, conveyor belts filled with pasta move in sequence to the packaging area before being released to the market. Machines handle the process of feeding the bundles of pasta into the automated packaging system. One of the essential steps is sealing the pasta package, where the printer will print information such as the production date, expiration date, batch number, and barcode on the packaging. The large-scale pasta production process today is a harmonious blend of traditional techniques and modern technology. This helps pasta become a product that retains its traditional charm while meeting modern consumption demands. On the market today, there are hundreds of different types of pasta, such as spaghetti, fettuccine, penne, or macaroni. So next time you choose pasta to cook, try switching things up and exploring different types to find your favorite one. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and delve deeper how these factories work, then you can watch our next videos here.